driving. I'm here with my boy Griff. He's filming right now. You'll see him in a second. So here's a nice cold start. Sentra Spec B wrap.
Oh yeah.
Just ordered some shorty headers for it. Should be pretty sweet. Ain't that right, Griff?
Oh yeah, we dropping big bucks on the Sentra. You heard him here first.
Warming up the Subi real quick. Gonna go grab the camera equipment here in a second. Here. You already know. Rocking the Osmo. It'll do what it wants. It's kind of annoying sometimes. Alright, backing out. Alright, so what I'm about to do is put on the high boost map, and then we're going to go follow Griff over there back to his house real quick, and then we're going to go on our drive. But damn, I need gas bad. Alright, so I don't know how this looks on the screen, but what we're going to do is go down to tune, change map, real time, and then my Tuning Alliance high boost tune, sweetness, and then it'll load, and then we can pull on Griff even harder. Sweet. Unplug it because I hate this thing. Buckle up. And you know, since we're driving an automatic, you can't really give me shit for filming and driving. Well, I mean, you can, but it's less founded. I'll let him lead. Should be all warmed up now at good operating temps, good oil temp. I don't know how, yeah, you can kind of see it now. Boost isn't plugged in. When I switched to a high boost tune, that eBay boost gauge over there kind of blew up. The housing started leaking, so that was kind of lame. Coming. Oh, you can see that. What's up, Griff? Alright, so Griff, we're about to go driving, and yeah, I just got my wisdom teeth taken out, so if I'm ugly, I'm ugly, but Yeah, we're about to go driving out in a more rural area in town, so it should be some good carving. I don't know how much we'll film, but there are some good spots, and we'll try and get some slow-mos and stuff like that at 120 frames per second with the new GoPro, my Sony A6300, and then maybe my iPhone. I can't remember if I said GoPro, whatever. So let's get to it. Alright, so we're out here at the driving spot. As you can see, if you want to show them, Griff, where we're at. Gonna launch the drone, try and get some good footage. It's kind of frozen over out here, but it's pretty nice. So I got the backpack, but I don't think I'll need it, only because where we're at is a great launching spot right now. And it's not even that windy, so that's pretty nice. The drone's on this side. My bad. So, I got the backpack. Get things started. Here's the magical thing. Alright.
Thank you.
If you can figure out how to turn it.
Oh, it's recording. Nice.
Yeah.
Ah. There we go. Beep, beep, beep.
Beep, beep, beep.
That's the cool drone noise.
Yeah, you know it. Alright. Aircraft warming up. Who would have thought? Oh, on set. Way low.
Mama! Hovering.
So he's gonna go down, turn around. Yo! Alright, while we wait, yeah, I mean, we're out here. So, my DJI app is fucking up right now. I deleted it and it's reinstalling. Somehow I have signal out here, which is amazing. But, yeah. I just can't stand technical difficulties. It's terrible. Dealing with this stuff, especially after you pay so much money, is ridiculous in my mind. But technology is going to be technology. All right, here he comes. Wherever he's at. Come on, Griff, where you at? Oh shit, that's a cop. Let's see what he does. See if he pulls in. Sheriff. Alright, Griff, where you at? Did you see the sheriff?
Yeah. When I pulled into the bridge to turn around and I saw him coming over the hill and I was like,
Yeah, the app's working now. So we can get some drone flight. Alright, finally. Sign in. Yo, it sounded great. You could hear the difference, like when you hit like whatever.
I was trying to angle it or like have it hit right when I passed by.
Well, it sounds good, dude.
That was a nice 30-year pull.
Dude, it's gonna sound mean with this axle
Yeah, I
or
was
these
like, oh.
headers. Sorry.
Yeah, I know. I'm psyched for it because it's stock exhaust. That's all into it.
I know. That sounds good. It really does. You know, as a Subaru owner, you gotta vape, especially when it's over there. So, Griff, tell me about this Sentra Spec V.
It's a Sentra Spec V.
Oh, no one fucking knows about these.
Right.
Tell me more.
So they're like kind of like a Civic Si, but more torquey. That's how most people would describe them. Thank you. And they like spec wise, it's about on par. 175 horsepower stock, 180 torque, I think, and like
it's nice and light. It pulled well against the Subi.
Yeah, 2,700 pounds. That's the curb weight. I mean, it's pretty comparable to any mid-2000s racer, but like, you know.
It sounds nice from the outside.
Yeah, I think it's underrated.
I don't know what just happened, but. Oh man, that is so cool. It started recording. 4, 3, 2, go. Start with left.
Left, that way.
Yep. Got the GoPro down there. Let's see if it. GoPro, start recording. Oh man, that is so cool. It started recording. It is pretty windy.
Yeah.
So we are out here. This is the first rolling shot I really got. We're in Knott's Island, North Carolina, which is just south of Virginia Beach. And it is cold. Cadillac.
All right.
GoPro, start recording. That's some good VTEC, bro.
Hey, watch yourself.
And a Nissan. Nissan. Just don't torque, steer, and die. That's all I ask. Smooth in the corners, dude.
It's like 65. I mean, whatever. We're going.
She planted for a Sentra.
Let's see. Let's see how planted she is.
Oh, God. We gonna die. Oh, shit. Nice.
Front wheel drive has no grip. It really doesn't.
It just has snap over steer.
Oh yeah, front wheel drive has snap over steer.
GoPro, start recording. What if I just nailed your car?
You would have to pay for it.
No, I wouldn't.
Your insurance would have to pay for it.
You got proof?
Yes. In fact, I do.
So we're on low boost right now, but it is what it is.
He's on a Chevy Cruze. Get it?